Hey guys, happy Thursday. So I am getting my water ready and I thought I would pop on and show you what I do. So what I found easier is I get my old little Energize scoop and I just squeeze the bottle instead of shaking it, and it comes out super fast. Then I get my 1/4 teaspoon, kind of dump it in there and pour it directly into my gallon bottles. And I'm doing like a couple of them a night so that they're already to go for the day. Where's the lid? And then what I do is hold on. Before I go to bed, I fill up all my bottles. I have 4 30-ounce bottles. So I drink 1 before I leave for work. I drink 2 at work. And then I leave 1 for once I'm home for the evening. If I do go to the gym, why are you blurry? If I do go to the gym, then I will do an extra, I don't know, 20 ounces or so.